Are you ready to unlock the power of Google Business? Welcome to a course that could change the game for your business. Picture this, your business shining brightly at the very top of Google search results, drawing in ideal customers like bees to honey. But this isn't just a dream, it's a reality waiting to happen. Join me on a journey to transform your business's online presence with actionable insights and practical tips that will set you apart from the competition. Hi there. I'm Kelsey, and I am the founder of KaeRae Marketing and your certified Google guide. Together, we'll unlock the power of Google so you are armed with the tools and insights you need to navigate Google Business with confidence. Here's why Google Business matters. In today's competitive market, having an online presence isn't optional, it's essential. With over 8 billion searches on Google every day, can you afford to miss out on such visibility opportunities? But fear not, this course is packed with secrets to creating a standout business profile, optimizing your listing, and choosing the right keywords to skyrocket your business to the top of Google search results. With 48 lessons and 2.5 hours of engaging video content and access to our exclusive community, you'll have everything you need to thrive in this digital landscape. Drive more customers to your website. Learn how to leverage Google Business features like posts, reviews, and insights to engage your audience and build a loyal customer base. Don't let your competitors steal your spotlight. Take action today and invest in your business's success. Join me on a journey from dream to reality as we showcase real-life triumphs that will inspire you to reach new heights with Google Business. So what are you waiting for? Enroll in the Unlocking the Power of Google My Business, a step-by-step guide, and let's make your business Google's newest best friend. Optimize your Google Business listing and watch your business grow.